In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up BloxLink on Discord in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Discord or simply unfamiliar with how BloxLink works, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get up and running smoothly, so you can link your Roblox account with Discord effortlessly. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you want to head over to the official BloxLink website. You can find that at BloxLink. This is the first step in the process, and it's important to make sure you're on the official site to ensure safety and security. Once you're there, you'll notice a few options laid out for you. Look for the button that says Sign in with Discord. This is how you'll connect your Discord account to BloxLink. Click on this button and it will take you to the next step. Now, after clicking Sign in with Discord, you'll be prompted to log into your Discord account if you haven't done so already. Ensure you use the credentials associated with the Discord server where you want to set up BloxLink. It's always a good idea to double-check that you have the correct account, especially if you manage multiple servers or accounts. Once logged in, you'll be asked to authorize BloxLink to access your Discord account. You'll be seeing a detailed list of permissions that BloxLink is requesting. These permissions are necessary for BloxLink to function properly, such as linking your Roblox groups to your Discord server roles and managing those roles based on Roblox permissions. If everything checks out, go ahead and click on the Authorize button to proceed. Congratulations, you've successfully linked BloxLink with your Discord account. From here, BloxLink will guide you through the final steps to set it up within your specific Discord server. This typically involves selecting which Discord server you want to add BloxLink to. Make sure you've chosen the right one, and BloxLink will do the rest, integrating into your server's settings. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully set up BloxLink on your Discord server. Now, your community can easily connect their Roblox accounts to Discord, creating a seamless experience for everyone involved. Remember to encourage your server members to link their accounts for the best experience. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Until next time, happy gaming and enjoy your newly set up BloxLink on Discord.